Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making In-N-Out animal style fries, and starting with the potatoes, you want to cut them in thin fries, and oh wow, look at that. I cut them so well they turned into a bag of french fries. Honestly, save yourself some time and energy and just buy a bag of fries. Next we're moving on to the onions. You want to cut them into a small dice. Now I followed Joshua Weissman's caramelized onion recipe, but my onions were too small, so the butter to onion ratio was off. These do take around 40 to 45 minutes to cook down and become all jammy, so let's move on to the sauce. For the sauce I'm following Domestic Superheroes recipe. I'll put links for both the recipes I followed in the description. You'll need half a cup of mayo, I used Kewpie, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of pickle relish, and salt and pepper to taste. Put all the ingredients into a bowl and mix until combined and place into the fridge. And now it's time to construct. I've cooked the fries according to the directions on the back of the packet, and I've laid them out nicely and salted them. Next we're going to put a layer of plastic cheese, or what we call plastic cheese here in Australia, or American cheese. Next, the caramelized onions. As you can see, because I had too much butter, they kind of went a bit funky, so not my best effort, but I'm still learning how to caramelize onions. And finally, you can use the sauce. This was super tasty and easy to make at home, so why don't you give it a try? Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please like the video down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.